Welcome to today's video. So in this video I just want to walk you through on how you can remove image background with Microsoft Word. Okay, now this feature is available in upper version of Microsoft Word. You will not find this in 27 version, as image background removing is actually an image editing feature, but latest version of this Microsoft Word applications actually have high graphics design features and all that, so you can actually remove image background with these tools. So how do you do that? Let me quickly insert image that we can use for this practical. So I will go to my insert menu, insert, and I can just pick up okay, let me use this insert. I can easily just swap it so that I will not have issues with positioning it. So let me just reduce it a little bit. Okay, so let's say I want to remove the background of this image. I just want to maintain just my image and let this be plain. Okay, how do you do that? You can do that if there is a document you are editing that requires you to do that. You can do that, or simply put, you can just use this as an image as background image remover for any other thing you are designing in even another application. I'm going to show you how you can save the image after removing the background. So once you have inserted the image, you see on the format menu, you see the remove background options here. So once you select it, it will shade the areas that you want to remove. As you see now, the area coloring purple, the purple shade is the area that is going to remove. So I can use this highlighter here to actually pick out, highlight the areas I actually want to keep in the document. You see now this side has been covered. I'll extend it above my head, and you see that we have some spaces that are now covered in the document. Okay, so basically this is it. As you see now, all this area that is very bright at the side that is going to be maintained. Even our gene here is also going to remove. So I can actually keep all this space. You have the macros here. You see here, mark areas to remove. You also have mark areas to keep. So I want to keep the genes. I want to keep this part of the images. I can simply use mark areas to keep, and I will just draw to highlight it. Okay, you see, what happened is that the area I draw, the thing is going to try to highlight every color that is similar to that area I draw. That means I want to keep that particular area. That is why you see everywhere now is now highlighted to be kept. So with this now, I'm good to go. If I go and say keep changes, you see that our image background is now removed. This is amazing, right? With this now, you can change image backgrounds. I can save this image and use it totally in different application without the background. All I need to do is just to right click and say save image, save as picture. Okay, this is not like saving it in a document file. No, I'm going to save it as image separately. So I can just click on save. It's going to load me. Let me still save it inside my let me save it on the desktop so that I can easily access it and show you. So let's say you see the file format there, portable network graphics. This is an image format. You can also save it with JPEG. This is also an image format. But let's say I give it a name, edit, and save it at desktop so that we can easily access it, and click on save. So if I minimize this now, let me minimize this. So you see the image now is on the desktop without background. Do you see that? If I open it, it's going to open in image folder. So I can simply go through carefully to use the remove background to pick up this area and delete it. Not actually obvious, but this is amazing. Going by the fact that it is done with a word processing application. These are things you do with Photoshop and other kind of image editing tools, but you can easily achieve that with your Word, with your Microsoft Word processing application. Okay, so that is how you remove image background. So go over and try it. Import the image you want to remove the background, and use the remove background option. Select the areas you want to keep, and also just say keep changes. Okay, so go over and try this, and I'll see you in the next one.